A new chapter is opened for us as WiCAM Foundation. With the beginning of this semester, we support for the first time young talents of KIT here in Karlsruhe with the scholarships awarded today. No one knew the term Industry 4.0 in the mid-1980s. In 1984, a young man named Harold Wilkersman was working the night shift at CNC punching machine to earn money for his mechanical engineering studies. Fascinated by the possibilities of CNC technology and the emerging digitalization in the industry, he began to develop algorithms that turned order lists and drawings into the so-called NC texts for the machine controllers. He successfully completed his studies in 1986 and founded the WiCAM GmbH. After 35 years, WiCAM's programming system is the most important building block for automated production in all groups, such as Siemens, Liebherr, Miele, Otis, and many more worldwide. After a short illness, Mr. Wilkersman passed away in 2017. His last will was fulfilled, and today's WiCAM Foundation was born. I'm sure that today one of his heart's desires comes true: to give young local talents the chance to learn mathematics and computer science and to make it in live.